Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. We are going to show a very beautiful set of Kanjivarams today. So these are designer Kanjivarams. Each and every piece is different. They are not of one type, one particular type or design. We are going to show very stunning, atypical, unique pieces in pure silk handloom Kanjivaram sarees. So yes, here we are with a gorgeous blue and pink combination. Now if you look closely, this saree has very fine intricate zari lines on it, and these zari lines are horizontal. Now a lot of you have this hesitance in mind about wearing horizontal stripes or horizontal lines, especially in sarees. खूप जणांना असं वाटतं की आडव्या लाईन्स असतील तर मी ब्रॉड दिसेन किंवा उभ्या लाईन्स बेटर आहेत, पण तसं काही नसतं. ए बी असं आहे की साडीमध्ये जेव्हा आडव्या स्ट्राइप्स किंवा आडव्या लाईन्स असतात, मोस्टली आपण साडी ड्रेप करताना एस्पेशली द पल्लू पार्ट कम्स लाईक दिस. सो ते खूप आडवं न दिसता उभंच दिसतं, असा एक इल्युजन इफेक्ट तयार होतो. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट वेअरिंग हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईन्स और स्ट्राइप्स ऑन युअर सारीज, especially when they are so fine and so intricate. So yes, this is our first Kanjivaram. The price of this one is 28,500. A very beautiful peachish, bright peachish pink color in the border. The border is also not very traditional old kind of a design. It's a nice modern twist to the authentic Kanjivaram borders. So yes, this is it. The blouse also has the exactly same fine zari lines that you see on the body of the saree. It's a contrast blouse. So yes, this is our first saree. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, let's move to the next one. Now the next one is an absolutely gorgeous weave. This is not going to last long. तुम्हाला जर आवडली असेल तर immediately आम्हाला contact करा. अप्रतिम अशी साडी आहे. Now just look closely. This particular saree has very fine checks on its body. These are black and white checks. They are very fine. So if you look from a distance, this might look grey to you because it is such a fine weave of checkered black and white design. It has this lovely plainish border. बॉर्डरला पिंक आणि अंजिरी असे दोन कलर्स आहेत. इट हॅज दिस धूपछाव कलर अलॉंग विथ अ ब्राईट पिंक. A very stunning saree. You can choose to wear this for a wedding, you can wear it for a corporate event, you can wear it for any presentation of, or if you're on a stage performing. So this is a very versatile Kanjivaram, very classy, very subtle, but absolutely gorgeous. So yes, this is it. The sarees that I'm showing in today's video will be priced from 21,000 to 32,000 roughly. So please just take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp team. This is the checkered Kanjivaram. Let's move to the next one. Now the next is another very pretty combination. It is this beautiful, what do you call this color? I don't know what to call this. Jade green plus Rama plus, I don't know. It is a mix of jade green and Rama. A beautiful color, and it appears slightly different from a distance because it has very fine zari in golden and silver. So it gives a different shine altogether to the saree. It looks as if it is a tissue Kanjivaram. I'm going to come close and show you all this beautiful weave all along the body. So this is almost like a brocade design. It is very fine zari checks in silver golden zari along with a small dots like brocade design. Absolutely gorgeous, and just look at the combination. So it has this beautiful wine colored border, a very authentic South Indian color, the border color if you see. So yes, this is it. Just look at the grand pallu design. The price of this saree is 30,450. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now the next is another zari line saree. However, this one has butta. So if you have noticed, each and every saree is different. Each and every design is gorgeous. It is unique. You will not get to see these kind of 10 sarees wherever you go. So these are very unique single pieces. So yes, this is it. It's a beautiful navy blue. It's a deep blue with very fine zari lines woven all along the saree with this gorgeous intricate butta. The butta is also not a typical design. It's not a typical motif. It does not have any peacocks or any animal motifs in it. It's a nice floral slash paisley kind of a butta design. So yes, this is it. It has this bright sinduri red color in its border. The border is not too thick. It is a nice medium sized border, and this is the grand pallu. So this is one such kanjivaram which you can also wear for evening occasions, like if it is a reception or an engagement, then this particular kanjivaram is traditional in its colors, but it is very very unique, and the design is almost like a designer kanjivaram. So you can definitely consider this for any evening occasion as well. So this is the blouse. The blouse also has zari lines on it. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now the last sari of this stunning kanjivaram video is this single colored maroon zari checks kanjivaram. Very very pretty. Just look at this sari. Just look at the weave. It is handloom kanjivaram. Just look at the softness of this fabric. A lot of you also have this misconception that kanjivarams are stiff, you don't get draped properly, but no, kanjivarams are as nicely draped, get as nicely draped as a paitani or a garhwal. So yes, this is it, a very very beautiful one. This is how the borders will look together. It is a close contrast. The border is slightly reddish and it has a different striped texture on it. The price of this one is again 30,450. This is the grand pallu. So yes, this is our last sari of this video. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our unique, gorgeous, classy Kanjivaram collection. I hope you all enjoyed watching. We have many sarees lined up for you all, many new collections launched. Till then, please do watch our social media channels. Also, do not forget we have an exhibition coming up. Pratha will be showcasing at Bhingri, which is a nice big exhibition which will be conducted on 31st of January, 1st of February and 2nd of February, which is this coming weekend. Please do visit Pratha's showcase in Bhingri. It is at Siddhi Banquet Halls. Thank you.